Dhokla is one of the most popular snacks served in India. Today I am going to show you the instant recipe of dhokla. Hey guys, Omkar here and welcome to Bachelor's Tadka. Let's have a look at the ingredients. 1 cup of besan, half cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ENO or a fruit salt, some lemon juice, salt to taste, some green chilies, dried curry leaves, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, and oil. To avoid the lumps, first I am going to sieve the besan. After sieving the besan, I am going to add a yogurt in it. Let's add a tablespoon of turmeric powder, some lemon juice, mix it well. Now add water as per the consistency. We don't want to make it too much thick and too much runny, so add water accordingly. We have to make a batter little bit runny than a pakoda batter. I will need more water. Batter should not have any lumps in it, so beat it smoothly and nicely. You can see the consistency of the batter now. Now add some oil in it. Mix it well. Add some salt to taste. Mix it well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe so that you can get easy Indian recipes. Now we will keep this batter for 10 minutes. In a pan or a kadhai, boil some water. Put stand in it. Now add 1 tablespoon of ENO in our batter. Always remember to add ENO at the end before steaming the dhokla. It will make your dhokla more spongy. Mix it well. Now I am going to grease a utensil in which I am going to steam my dhokla. Now pour your batter in the utensil or a tin and tap it so that it can spread evenly. Keep it in a steamer. Cover it and let the dhokla steam for next 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we can check whether dhokla is ready or not. Just pierce some toothpick or some knife in it. If it comes clean, then our dhokla is ready. Take it out and let it cool down. After cooling it for 5 to 10 minutes, we will transfer it in a plate. You can see it has come out nicely and it's steamed as well. It's spongy. Cut the dhokla into pieces. Don't cut it when it's too hot. Let it cool down for some time and then cut it. Now for tadka, heat some oil in a pan. Once the oil is heated, add some mustard seeds. After mustard seed starts crackling, add curry leaves and green chilies. Add some water in it. Add salt to taste and some sugar. Let this tadka boil for almost 5 minutes. Once it's boiled, we will transfer this tadka on our dhokla. And you can serve this dhokla with a green chutney or a tamarind chutney. You can see it's nice and spongy. Thanks for watching.